Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog beds for Chihuahuas that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Casper Dog Bed. When it comes to Chihuahuas, Rhino recommends looking for a plush bed that feels secure, has plenty of support, and is machine washable. Luxating patellas and osteoarthritis are common in Chihuahuas, she says, so orthopedic and memory foam beds are recommended. This Casper Dog Bed offers 2 layers of orthopedic foam. The viscoelastic memory foam on the top helps to relieve pressure on a small dog's frame, while the polyurethane foam on the bottom provides support. The slightly raised bolstered sides give a sense of security, while the cover's extra material suits a cheese need to burrow. We especially like that the height of this bed isn't too high for little dogs. Our rover tester tried out the medium size for her 2 dogs to share, a pug and a Boston Terrier, and they had no trouble getting in and out of it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Snoozer Pet Products Orthopedic Cozy Cave with Cover. Large, flat beds aren't ideal for Chihuahuas, as there's nothing to burrow down into and no element of security, says Rindle. Go for a donut or deep dish style so your Kai can rest their head on the outer part of the bed. Extra credit if there's a hooded burrow attachment to the bed itself. Enter the Snoozer Pet Products Cave-Style Bed. This snuggly bed has an attached hooded cover, creating a private, warm space for your Kai. The interior is made with downy Sherpa and stuffed with soft polyester, while the thick base offers orthopedic foam support. Removable and machine washable, the micro-suede cover is available in dozens of prints and colors. Our testing found the bed's material to be high quality, extra cozy, and aesthetically pleasing. We also discovered that our larger rover test pup needed some help figuring out how to burrow under the hood, though your Kai may already be a natural pro. At number 3, we have the Best Friends by Sheri, the original calming donut cat and dog bed. Chihuahuas tend to have strong attachments to their humans and often don't like to be left alone. Giving your Kai a soothing space to rest may help with their separation anxiety. The OG of calming dog beds, the Best Friends by Sheri, has many features that Chihuahuas love. It has a round, donut shape that encourages nesting, a soft shag exterior that adds warmth, and a raised outer rim that provides a feeling of protection. Our rover reviewers also pointed out that the bed's center is indented, which is perfect for burrowing. It also comes in a deep dish version for cheese who want to nestle in a little deeper. At number 2, we have the K&H Pet Products Thermo-Snuggly Heated Bolster Bed. With any small dog, being cozy and warm is a priority. With Chihuahuas, who are extra sensitive to the cold, being cozy is a lifestyle, says Rindle. If you want to make your Kai really happy, invest in a heated bed or blanket for the winter. This bolster bed by K&H is thermostatically controlled to warm up to the normal body temperature of your Chihuahua, but only when they're lying on it. All other times, it rests in an eco mode to preserve energy and keep things safe. Bolstered foam sides give a cave-like sense of security, while the ultra-plush pillow adds extra softness, though it might make getting on and off the bed a little awkward for extra small cheese. Our tester reported that the heat output was the ideal warmth for rover test pup Roo. It does run on the smaller side, though, which makes it an excellent choice for a Chihuahua bed. And finally at number 1, we have the Furhaven Luxury Faux Self-Warming Pet Bed. If you have a super chewer Kai or a puppy who might gnaw on the wires of an electric heated bed, consider a self-warming option instead. This deep dish style bed has high walls that are excellent for burrowing. It's also packed with insulation with a warm fiber fill and a thermal core sandwiched between soft faux fur lining. The smallest size suits dogs up to 20 pounds, providing plenty of room for Chihuahuas. It's also completely machine washable for easy cleanup. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon